Hello guys, here again welcome to Form Follows Function. Today I am back with another AutoCAD tutorial and we will learn how to lay out multiple scale drawings in single sheet in AutoCAD. So without wasting time, let's move further. Open your drawing which you want to be on scale. I want this drawing and another is this one. I want this table on another scale and these both drawings on the same scale. So what I will do is first go to the layout here. This page should be on A1. I want to be it's on A1. So I will set up my page setup in A1 sheet. Here right click and go to page setup manager. Here click on modify. Now you need to do the page setup. First this should be in the DWG to PDF. Here my page I need is ISO full bleed A1. It should be in landscape, so I will put 841 in front, 594 in the second one. So here it's layout, and the main thing which it comes is the mm and the unit. My drawing is in the meter, so I will put as 1 unit equals to 1000 mm. If my drawing it should be in the mm, then I will put 1 unit equals to 1. If my drawing is in mm but my drawing is in meters, so I will put 1 unit equals to 1000 mm. That's it. My page is set up. Now click on OK. Should be closed. This is my A1 page. Now what I need is the format. I already made a format for A1 page. You can also get it, or if you want this format of mine, then you can contact me on Instagram. My ID is sps.creation. It's settled and it should be into the dotted lines. Here my page is set up. Now you can change the drawing names from here. Just double click on the text and I can edit the text just by double click. You can write the name of drawings. You can write the scale, your name, semester or the sheet number, your scale, sign, date and the sheet title. Here what we do is I need the drawings on the scale. So what you need to do is you need to write vports, VPORTS and click enter. Now click OK. Now what you need to do is create a viewport where you need your drawing is to be. Now to enter the viewport, double click on it. I need this drawing on scale. It should be near to 1 is to 100. So I got it on 100 scale. Always put this box in the def point so that it is not visible on your sheet at the time of printing. Now create next viewport, VPORTS. Click on OK. Create the another viewport. Double click. Enter into the viewport. Now what I need is this sheet. It should be on 100 scale. I got it on the 100, but what I need is double click outside. Now select the viewport, make it small as it should be needed. Now I need that table on another scale. Create another viewport. Click on OK. Here it is. Double click. Enter into the viewport. Now I need that and onto the scale of 1 is to 50. Here it is. The scale of this table is 1 is to 50. The scale of these both the drawings is 1 is to 100. Now what you need to do is I don't want these plain lines, so I will go to the model space. The drawing is this one. I will shift the drawing. Now when I go to the layout, it's shifted. Now I double click, active the viewport, double click outside to make it off. Again set your page. Hooray, you did it. The scale of this one is 100. You can write the scale here also. Scale, scale and scale. The scale of this sheet one is 1 is to 100. 200. The same scale is here the scale is 1 is to 50. So that's it. Now if you want to print this out, you just click on Control P. Here the page is set up already. You don't need to do anything. Click on OK, just desktop and save. Hooray, you did it. You got the print on the 1 is to 100. Have you see that I did not put these both the viewport in the def point. So these are still visible. Go to the PDF, select all of them, click on def point. Now these all the points are not visible in the print. Click on OK. Okay, yes, overwrite. Here it is. We got the drawings on the scale. This is on 1 is to 100. This is on 1 is to 50. This is on 1 is to 100. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to make the custom viewport scale. So be ready for that, and do subscribe form follows function and like our videos, share with your friends and support us guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.